Good evening everyone, this is my review on the Crosscourt ball that has just been released. It looks pretty cool, to be fair. I like this ball a lot. I like the aesthetic of the ball, I think it's fantastic. Goes without saying that this thing is perfectly round, which is always a good thing. Very, very similar to a neutron, to be honest. If you're not lucky enough to have some of those on your accounts, I would say this is something definitely to look at. P4 with a 2% needle, not to be sniffed at there. 2% is pretty solid. There will be some minor shake, but it's not too bad at all. Precision 3, absolutely fine. The neutron is a precision 4, obviously, but it's the next best thing. And then the side spin 4 and wind resistance 4. Okay, let me look at some balls that are very similar to this if you haven't got these. Obviously, the ultimate is the neutron. If you're not lucky enough to have this particular ball, this is, blows it out of the water with it being 3% overpower and having a higher precision, but it's a difficult ball to get. Closest thing we've got here is a precision 2 golden reel ball, but there's only a 1% needle on this. To be honest, I don't like this ball, and this ball's quite big. So genuinely, I don't really like the golden reel. So I think the one that's just been released now is far nicer. Then you've got this ball, which is one side spin less, the rodeo ball. This also has a 2% needle, precision 3, just like the other one, and side spin 3. So very, very similar, except the other one has one more spin. And then lastly, this was only available in the golden shot. I shouldn't really speak about this because it's not a fixed release, but this also has a 3% needle, which is very awesome. Precision 3 again, but this lacks 2 of the side spin compared to the other. So my personal thoughts on this ball really depends. Are you into free to play? If you are a free to play master player, I would say probably going to use this a lot. If you're an expert player, I would say this would be absolutely ideal because you'll be playing a lot of the guides with Win 4. And if you're just a tour player and you do like to use a Win 4 ball, a P4 ball with a precision, this will be a tip-top addition to your arsenal. Genuinely, I think this ball is fantastic. If you are not fortunate enough to have a repeat prism, I would be tempted to get some, not really sure how many, depends on how much you are into the free-to-play element or how much you like to use Win 4 for that matter. But as my accounts are almost all repeat prisms, I personally will not be purchasing. I may buy a small pack on my baby account, but aside from that, I will be just waiting for the prism repeat. Hope you all enjoyed the view, and I will catch you later for the stream. Good luck.